If you started hormone replacement therapy and you're thinking, this is amazing, my hot flashes are gone and I'm sleeping better, I have energy again, but why are my breasts constantly sore? This video is for you. You're definitely not alone in this frustration. Up to 70% of women experience breast tenderness at some point during HRT, and I hear this question all the time. Does HRT breast tenderness go away? The good news, yes, it can, and I'm going to tell you why. First, let's understand what's happening in your body. When you start hormone replacement therapy, you're essentially waking up breast tissue that have been dormant during low hormone states. Estrogen promotes growth and fluid retention in breast tissue. Think back to how your breasts felt right before your period during your reproductive years. It's that same mechanism that is at work now. Your breast tissue is responding to hormonal stimulation by swelling slightly and becoming more sensitive. This is actually a sign that your HRT is working. Your body is responding to the hormones, but unfortunately, your breasts are being a bit dramatic about the whole process. For some women, this tenderness settles down within a few weeks as the body adjusts, but for others, it can persist for months, making hugs uncomfortable and sleeping on your stomach impossible. Here's what to understand. HRT-related breast tenderness typically affects both breasts evenly and feels like general achiness or sensitivity. If you're experiencing sharp pain, lumps, or tenderness in just one breast, that's different and you should see your doctor immediately. But if you're dealing with that familiar overall soreness, there's a natural solution that consistently rises to the top: evening primrose oil. This isn't just folk wisdom. There's real evidence behind why evening primrose oil works so well. The oil comes from the evening primrose plant seeds and is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, which your body uses to create anti-inflammatory compounds. Here's the fascinating part. GLA helps your body produce prostaglandin E1, a hormone-like substance that reduces inflammation and helps regulate how your breast tissue responds to estrogen and other hormones. Recent research backs this up. A 2024 study found that women taking 1,000 milligrams of evening primrose oil twice daily experienced significant reduction in breast pain compared to placebo. Even better results came when it was combined with vitamin E. The typical research-backed combination is evening primrose oil, 1,000 milligrams twice daily, vitamin E, 200 to 400 international units daily. Most women notice improvement within 6 to 12 weeks, though some experience relief sooner. The beauty of this approach is that it works with your body's natural process rather than just masking the symptoms. While evening primrose oil is doing its work, there are immediate steps you can take. Get a properly fitted, supportive bra. This can make a dramatic difference. Consider wearing a comfortable sports bra or sleep bra at night. Apply heat or cold, whatever feels better to you. A warm compress can ease aching, while a cold can reduce the swelling. Watch your diet. Reducing salt and caffeine can help minimize the fluid retention that contributes to breast swelling. Now, if your breast tenderness doesn't improve with these approaches after 3 to 4 months, it may be time to revisit your HRT regimen. Sometimes a small adjustment in dosage, delivery method, or timing can make all of the difference. The bottom line is this: sore breasts don't have to be the price you pay for hormonal balance. The goal of HRT is to help you feel your best, and that includes being comfortable. If you're dealing with persistent breast tenderness on HRT, evening primrose oil combined with vitamin E represents one of the most effective, natural approaches available. If you have questions about managing HRT, side effects, or want to explore your hormone therapy options, head on over to hormonesandwellness.com. Your comfort matters, and you don't have to just endure persistent discomfort.